Hello, today I will show you some really practical features on based manager switch. So there are port setting, port mirroring, port isolation, and spanning tree protocol. In this video, you will know how to set them up in the user interface. It's all beginner friendly, but really useful if you are setting up a network. So let's get started. I will use SKS3200-4E2X from Chica Store as an example. Okay, let's start with port setting. Say I want to force port 5 to run at 10 gigabit. Just go to the menu, click on switch configuration, scroll down to port setting, and you will see this page. Now, since I want to port 5 to run at 10 gigabit, it's simple. Just click on port 5, say to 4 duplex, and change the speed to 10 gigabit. One super important step. Don't forget to hit save, otherwise nothing changes. Next up is one of the most common features, port mirroring. Basically, it lets you copy the traffic from a specific port or VLAN to another port for monitoring. Super useful for network analyzing, troubleshooting, or security checks. So in this example, let's say I want port 2 to monitor port 1. Same, go to the menu, click on switch configuration, then find port mirroring. Since port 2 is receiving mirrored traffic from port 1, so source port is port 1, direction set it to both, destination port is port 2, and again, don't forget to click save. That's it. Third one, port isolation. This is used to prevent certain ports on the same switch from talking to each other. For example, let's say I only want port 1 and port 2 communicate with each other and block everything else between them. Here's how you do it. Port isolation, select port 1 as the main port, and in the isolation list, add port 2. Then just hit save. Simple, huh? Now, only port 1 and port 2 can talk to each other. Everything else stay open and can communicate freely as usual. Last one, enabling spanning trees. We call this STP or RSTP, MSTP. So this is used to prevent network loops, which is super important for keeping your network stable. You know, a stable network means your switch can perform at 100%. To turn it on, go to loop configuration, loop protocol, and on the right side, you will see the loop function. Click spanning tree, save. Then go to the STP global setting. Set the version to STP, and again, don't forget to save. That's it, spanning tree is now fully enabled. So finish, hope that helped. If you like this video and if you want to see more tips like this, just hit a like and follow us. See you next video, bye bye.